press that?
I pressed it so we can record it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here and this is... What's your name?
Dorothy.
Dorothy. And we're going to do an unboxing today. So this is from my lovely friend Jeneanne. You can follow her at Free the Smartos down here, and she has sent me this package with my more for Jeffree Star stuff in there. We are so excited, aren't we? Yes we are. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright, so let's open this up. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah. So she's put, let's play a game. So she's made it a game for us, Dorothy. Are you excited? She's made it a game. Okay. Hello, Cerise. Woo! Inside you'll find 3 presents wrapped in numerical order. Open in the correct order to reveal the star of the box. Let the odds be ever in your favourite. Jen, John and Hemi. Yay!
Close it.
You want to close it? Okay. Alright. So let's... Oh, look. It all starts here. Do you want to open this one up?
Yes.
Yeah? Alright, quick, open it up on here so everyone can see. You got to open it up on here, honey, so then everyone can see. Open it on the box. Oh, what are you throwing?
Wow.
Oh, you're throwing everything away! Oh my goodness, what is in here?
Look at these.
Wow, there's so much. So is everything out of there? Okay, so let's have a look. So she's got me a sample of Chloe perfume. Oh my god, that's so cute. Yes. So pop that up there, Dorothy. Look at these highlighters.
I'll put those up.
Oh my gosh, but look at the colours.
I
Do you think they're so cute? Wet n Wild highlighters, yes. And then, look, it is, what is this one? This is foundation, a little baby foundation. Hang on, let me pull it out so you can look at it.
Okay.
Is that so cute? Oh my god. Alright, you'll put that one away. And then, what's this one? Is this another lipstick? Look at the little lipstick. Isn't it so cute? Oh my god. And then, this is another, look at that lipstick. Should I put a little bit on your hand?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can see what colour. Oh wow, show the camera. Oh, that is so nice. Feel the packaging, it feels real nice. You like the way that feels?
Yeah.
And then what is this lipstick? Look. Oh my goodness, look at that pretty colour. It is so pretty. Oh my god. And it's stars out. Oh, and then this MAC one. Look at that colour, that is so pretty, look. Do you like that one?
Yes.
Yes. Alright, should we go on to the next one? Oh, it's so exciting.
I want to open all of
Okay,
them.
okay, you can open that one then. So you got to open it on top of here, remember?
Okay.
You got to open it on top of there. Everyone can see. All the boys and girls that are watching. What do you want to say to all the boys and girls?
Nothing.
Nothing. Toss all the rubbish away. Oh my god, Jeneanne, this is so cute.
This is going to be so cool.
It's so cool. Ooh, I'm so excited. What? What? What is it?
This.
What is that? Give yourself a glow job. Oh my god, cute. Too fast. Oh my god, glitter mask. It is a glitter mask, Dorothy. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's a mask of glitter. Did you open it?
Yes.
Whoa! Look at that!
Look at it.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Yeah.
What do you say to Jeneanne? You say thank you? No? Thank you so much, Jeneanne. This is awesome. And look, there's a little... Oh, look. Oh, it's even the packaging. This is so cute. If you guys want reviews on any of this, oh my god, Jeneanne. Stop it. This is amazing. Alright, you can put that up there. And then there's one more.
I want to open it.
Oh, I'm excited. You gotta open on here, remember? Oh, I'm so excited. Wonder what it is. What do you think it is?
It should be a sausage roll.
It's a sausage roll, okay.
It could be.
It could be. Oh, whoa. What is that? What are those? It must be skincare, Glam Glow. Oh, yay. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Glam Glow. Yes, you cannot get this in New Zealand, so Glam Glow is freaking amazing. You don't even know what I'm talking about, do you? You don't even know.
Can I pop these?
You can pop them. But there's more makeup in here. Ah, there's more makeup though. Do you know what this is?
No.
A setting spray. Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Look.
Look, it's got strawberry. Look at that. That's eyeshadow.
Whoa.
Are you excited to see? Should we open it?
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do.
Look.
Open it.
Open it. Wow. Look in there. What's your favourite colour?
All of them.
All of them.
Also this one.
Are you going to swatch it on your hand? You're going to show everyone how I've taught you to swatch?
Yeah.
Do it. Do it. Swatch on your hand. Remember? On my hand. You need to do it properly. You get some on your finger. Try another colour.
This
Yes.
thing.
Yeah. Oh, whoa. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, what do you think of this one?
Good.
It's good. Yeah. Alright. And then are you excited for this? Do you know what this is? It's a spray and it smells like strawberries. Are you excited?
Yeah.
It's a face spray. Are you ready? Are you ready for me to spray it?
Yeah.
Can I spray it in your little face?
No.
Are you sure? Are you ready?
No.
Here, I'll spray it in mine. Look. Are you looking?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, do you smell that? Can you smell it?
Yes.
Oh, it smells so good. Oh my God. Yay, thank you so much, Jeneanne. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Dorothy, do you have anything to say to anyone out there?
No.
You have nothing to say? Do you want to say bye, everyone?
No.
Do you want to say subscribe to the channel?
No.
Can you say subscribe to Cerise1307 and like this video?
No. Can I pop this?
Yes, you can. Okay, bye, everyone. Thank you so much, Jeneanne. This is so cool. Oh my God, I love it. I cannot wait to try anything. If you guys want me to do any reviews on any of this stuff, then let me know in the comments down below. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Can we look at these?
Yeah. You can look at it. Are you going to take it away?
No. Just put it here.
You put it there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And look at it.
Isn't it so pretty?
Yeah.
Wow, look there. Oh, whoa.
It's trying.
What about the pink?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, wow.
And this
You
one.
need to push a little bit harder, honey. Ooh. There we go. Oh, wow.